back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I just wanted to come back and just to continue this journey with the dragon. And the dragon being between the scales and the layering and the skin tones and how we're going to get to that point. So right now, as you can see, I am actually doing some filling and Realism here for the dragon wings on top of the scales. I know last time we had talked a lot about the shape of the scales and dragon wings. They are either oval shaped, diamond shaped, or just when you look at, if you have like a pet snake or lizard, anything of that sort. I don't know. Depending on where you are, you could have a pet alligator. You'll see like the particular type of just echoing patterns of scales that our wonderful species of reptilians have. And so they're clustered formed together. And so with the dragon scales, my goal as far as just what I want the scales and the collection skin tone to look like is just to be that of a continuous rainbow, iridescent glow. Right now what I'm doing is creating this basis layer, a thin layer of the dragon wing, and just in a very thin like kind of it's not opaque, it's a very thin layer of paint, and the medium that I'm using canola oil, which is, and I know a lot of people, I have no idea why, I have used linseed oil in the past, but, linseed oil can be, it can be really expensive. Plus, it doesn't really come in a really large bottle. It's comes quite, small, in fact. And it can be a little bit on the très cher side, expensive. So I'm like, you know what? Canola oil, any type of cooking oil that you have. A lot of people look at me like I'm mint. Seriously, a lot of other artists have looked at me like, you use canola oil. Well, I guess you could use that. Okay, if it works. So I've been using that for years. So and I really like the effect of it. I'm just able to use large quantities of it, and it gives me the same effect that linseed oil. And I'm happy with it. Very rich in omega fatty acids. So that's the thing. And so just using that really thin layer mixed in with oil. And as you can see here, is that transitioning on over. You see this checkered board type effect that has come out of that, that has been built up to that. It's a checkered board, an argyle sweater style design effect that's going on here. However, I am not going to keep it like this. This is my transitional stage point. My end goal is for it to be a very iridescent rainbow type of dragon. If you guys remember, if you have seen the Hobbit and the Desolation Song and the Battle of the Five Armies, so exactly what I'm talking about. Smog, when he's in the down in that dwarf city cave, and he's surrounded by all of this gold, this gold just reflecting off of his skin. You saw he's kind of like a reddish, he gave off these really nice reddish golden tones. However, when he came out of the dwarf city and he swooped his little, fiery ass down to to Lake Town, you saw that his complexion changed very much so, because the reflection that was the lighting, it was actually nighttime. It was during the dead of night, and his skin color turned to it was quite dark. So this dragon here, he's actually he's in the sky. He's in the sky flying, and he is above the night, and then right juxtaposed to the night is Venus's horse that we have seen. So the reflection is going to be different. It's going to really kind of show off his pigeon feathers, so to speak, and we see a lot of vibrancy with the complexion of his colors. Now what I'm doing here, as you can see, is that I'm taking another thin layer of paint, titanium white, mixed with cadmium yellow, dipped in my oil medium, and I'm just smudging these areas. I'm smudging in the areas of the wing, and smudge, making those little imprintment styles that Bob Ross would actually do, little pretty trees, the pretty tree effect that he would do, just taking his brush, the British brush, and making all these interesting marks. And they came with the mountains and range, shadowing tree branches. And I think when you use the tip of your brush, it really just creates all of this amazing mark making. And you're just using just enough paint just to get your point across, and then create something beautiful here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and ask you guys to subscribe to push the subscribe button that's on the lower right hand side of the lower right hand corner of the video, and go ahead and like the video. And while you're at it, comment down below any questions that you have of the technique and the methodology behind what I do and how I approach my paintings. Please ask away. Any questions that you have. If you're an artist yourself and you have your own methodologies or techniques that you use, go ahead and I would love to know about it. Really, I would. I would love to hear what your perspectives are, and the type of palette that you would use in painting, doing fantasy art paintings, whatnot, for dragons, unicorns, and harpies, and other things, whatnot. Like I said, the end game with this is just for it to be a iridescent screen, and you're going to see that in the next coming videos. It's going to be more just more molded and shaped, and it's going to be popping out more. And so I will actually leave you guys with this, and just kind of tie this video off. Please, I thank you so much for coming by and subscribing and liking to my channel. And also you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Tumblr, and in Twitter, Zenki. Just search me up. And please, by all means, I invite you to watch all my other series of videos. And so we'll go ahead and just tie off this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a very pleasant day, a pleasant afternoon. Thank you, and goodbye. Hi, thanks guys for stopping by and seeing my wonderful, awesome tutorials. I hope to see you guys again. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel and the videos. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also there's my official website at zinkia.com. If you want to buy any type of new art deals, any drawings, paintings, they're all there for you to see. It'll follow you over there. Just follow it over to the square.com website where you can actually buy and make purchases of everything. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Bye. Peace out.